How to create art photo book presentation on PowerPoint. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to create art photo book easy and fast. So all what you have to do guys is go to PowerPoint. Now go to the top here and click on presentations. Now on this page you will find many templates. All what you have to do is go to category and search for photo albums, and here is it right here. Click on it like this, and here you will find 5 options. Choose the art photo book right here. If you didn't find it, just go to the search bar and search for it. Click on it and click create. Now on this page you can change everything you want from the photos or the text. As you can see, it's very easy to edit, and after you finish just click on this save option here in the top corner. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.